I shouldn't be on camera right now, seriously. Go kart me up, baby! Why am I filming myself? Hey! Fuck me, that's got a kick on it. And I'm tired, okay? I'm so fucking tired. Even checked in yet, and I'm on now, mate. Fuck me. Today, I've got another trick up my sleeve. Wake up, you little bitch! So I call it a helicopter, I don't know what it's called. Ah, there we go, it's worked already, because now I found out what I was going to talk about. Right, sod it, I've booked it. I just did it, man. It had to be done. Good morning, me babbers, and welcome back to another episode of What's This Silly Sod Up To Today, where today, I'm fucking lost, mate. I don't know where the fuck I am. Ain't got a clue, but I'm having fun regardless. I've been having so much fun, I forgot to record an intro at the hotel this morning, so here I am. Where exactly am I? I don't know, but I was supposed to try and find an airfield because I want to book a helicopter experience, but it's a very early morning start. I'm already mentally 7 hours ahead because of the time difference, so it'd be a brutally early morning start, so I thought try and find it first before I commit to fucking paying for the thing, and I can't find it, and it's led me here in this beautiful location. Beautiful homes up here. I mean, they're borderline poverty homes, but they've made the best of what they can. Actually, there's one of those orange things there telling you about the wind, so there's got to be an airfield here. So the plan is try and find this fucking airfield. Cut to the intro. Right, forget the intro. I found it. And what did I mean when I said one of those orange things? I meant that. I don't know what it's called. I don't know what the fuck it's called. And I'm tired, okay? I'm so fucking tired. It's one of those things that gauges the wind. So I'm here, and the views are insane, mate. Just spoken to the pilot, and he said I need to be here at 6:30 tomorrow morning. And I'm kind of thinking, fuck that. Yes, you will see a beautiful sunrise in this helicopter. I say helicopter, but I'll show you it now, mate. I'm tired, man. I'm 7 hours ahead in my head. I ain't fucking getting up at 6 in the morning when it's going to be like 1 in the morning to me. Fuck, I can't be fucked, mate. I'm going to have to write this experience off. I don't know. Subscribe. Feel free to follow me on this journey and see whether I end up doing this or not. I would love to. But it's too early for me. But again, this morning I seen my mate Jess. She doesn't actually start work until 1 in the afternoon, which makes fucking sense, to be fair, because she's always working late, but it makes sense if she starts work late. So I couldn't book the activity because she wasn't there. Again, that's a never early morning start, and I'm just like, I can't keep fucking doing this, mate. This is why I'm fucking tired, man, exhausted. Plus the heat, plus my age, everything, and I'm just fucking moaning now, but this is Rawcore exploring. This is the reality of travel, mate. This ain't the what do you call it, social media. So let me show you this helicopter. Can I show the helicopter? Oh, good man, he's pulling it out for us. Haha. So I call it a helicopter. I don't know what it's called, but this is it. This is the plan tomorrow morning. I've never done this before, so this will be a new experience for me. And it will be over those views that you've just seen.
Only one flight.
Okay. Yeah. Ah, okay, I got you. Right, so when the pilot wants to go out on his own, he just goes on one of these things. Oh, thank you. Yeah. But yeah, I love how clean he is with his shadow board toolbox. But yeah, this is the passenger, and this is the equipment. Little tiny engine. I did see a parachute. Big parachute? yeah, so I don't really know, but there's the parachutes there.
Yeah.
So I believe that's how we land. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Right, yeah, like I said, it's Rawcore Explorer. You're seeing what's real, man. And I'm tired. You ain't seen the highlight reels on social media. I'm assuming this is their runway. Nice patch of grass with these insane views, which we're going to take another look at before I shoot off and go get myself a drink. Chuck this on pause. There's a lovely bit of seating in front of me. I am in the middle of nowhere, so I ain't going to struggle to find somewhere to get a drink. But I was idiotic enough to leave this morning and not pack one. But yeah, look at these views again. Yeah, imagine flying off there tomorrow morning with the sunrise. Just know these views look better on in person, by the way. Right, I ain't gonna sit here. There's no fucking shade. I'm gonna go get back on the bike, go find myself a drink, get myself a drink, and I'm struggling. I'm fucking tired. So fucking tired. Right, sod it. I've booked it. I just did it, man. It had to be done. So they got the option for sunset, sunrise or sunset. But he looked at the forecast and the winds pick up a little bit on the evenings. So I've gone for the sunrise. Great, yeah, I've got to wake up super fucking early. Anyway, here's what it is. I'm about to get myself a Red Bull. I've never seen one of these before. Smells the same. Live taste test. I'm struggling to talk, man. So tired. It tastes the same. It's like stronger though. Like, what's the word? I shouldn't be on camera right now, seriously. Why am I filming myself? There we go, it's worked already, because now I found out what I was going to talk about. It's like Red Bull, but concentrated. It tastes exactly how it looks. Like Red Bull, but concentrated. Right, let's get this fucking down, mate. Wake up, you little bitch! Right, so. And obviously put it in a bin, because I'm respectful like that. Right, so. It's booked. Safe as fuck. Can do that shit. Tomorrow morning. That's the plan. Today, I've got another trick up my sleeve. Yeah, and I'm not even wearing any. So it's going to be a proper naughty trick. So join me as I fuck shit up. Cut to me at location. And this is me fucking shit up. This wasn't supposed to be the point where the video was going to cut to. Look at my energy now from earlier. That's what I needed. It was a nice little nap, mate. Just a nice little nap. So I was supposed to be at a go-karting. I actually drove past go-karting to get here. I did pull over and just thought, I can't. I'm so fucking exhausted. It's unreal, mate. It is now 20 to 5 in the afternoon or 20 to 10 in the morning because I'm still on English time. It is rough as fuck. The reason why I'm so frustrated today is because you need a rest day. But I rested yesterday. I got out of bed at 2:30 in the afternoon, had a shave, had a shower, went up to the rooftop pool, had a Hawaiian pizza, I had 4 cans of Coke, watched the sunset, had another shower, got dressed, went and got some street food, come back, and went to bed, mate. This is the 5th time I've crashed and burned now, and it is doing my nutting. I just want to be out here making the most of things, but I'm in a battle between my mind and my body. My mind wants to make the most of it because I know in 3 days' time I'm going to be back at home in peak winter, and my body's saying, no, mate. Nah, you're going to bed whether you like it or not. So, it is now, what did I say, 20 past 5? 22:05. I want to go go-karting. Also, I got to get some cash out because I've booked a helicopter for tomorrow morning. Early hours of tomorrow morning. So, yeah, and yeah, shortly. Sun's going to be up for another 2 hours, so I'm going to go go-karting, mate. Where I'll go from here, I don't know, so we'll just let it cut to where it cuts to. Right, I'm up, and that rest was much needed, man. I feel so much better within myself. I'm hoping you can hear me, because it is so loud. I'm 7 stories high, and how loud it is now is how loud it is all throughout the night. It's crazy. Putong is the city that never sleeps me. Right, so I've got a plan. I'm gonna head to where I said I was gonna go. Opposite that is something else that's cool that I'm gonna do. But I need to go cash point first. So hopefully I don't forget, because that helicopter journey that I got planned is in the middle of nowhere, and if I forget cash, I'm screwed, mate. So, cash point, and then head to where I need to go. Woo! Let's get out. I've just arrived at a shooting range. It is currently 5:25 and they close at 6. So hopefully that isn't a problem. But we will find out. Right, whether I can get any footage of this or not, who knows? But obviously I'll try, because it'll make for the content otherwise. Right, here it is. Yeah, I've been to a shooting range in Florida. I don't know if these are real guns. They don't seem as loud as real guns. Ooh, maybe I'm wrong. Maybe they are real. Maybe they are real. Gee, before obviously, and fuck me, it was loud. It was stupidly loud, mate. So the fact I can stand here without ear defenders on just goes to shit. Ooh, maybe I'm wrong. Maybe they are real. Maybe they are real. Gee. Fucking hell. Even checked in yet, and I'm trying to use on now, mate. Fuck me. Yeah, I was just watching this woman use it. I could tell from the kickback that they're definitely legitimate, because a fucking pellet gun would do that shit, or an air gun. See if I can get on camera. Yeah, judging on her facial expressions, that's got a hell of a kickback on it. These are the choice of guns. I personally just want the handguns. Reason being is when you pull the trigger on a fucking automatic, mate, they're just gone, man. It's over so quickly. So I'd rather use the handguns and just make the experience last a little longer, that's all. I'll go for the Glock M4, please, mate.
Glock?
Yep.
9mm?
Yeah, man.
Oh, the Glock.
The one you reckon?
Good. 45?
I don't know what these are.
Big. Some.
I'll go 9mm.
Okay. 150.
เอาเลยนะ
Cao nên gì cả.
ใหม่ยังไงไหมปกติเปลี่ยนรูปจะเป็นรูป
Goggles?
Okay.
เปลี่ยนรูป
Thank you very much.
ต้องบอกมาติดตรงนี้นะ
Mate, my favourite thing about myself is my eyes. So I definitely want to protect these bad boys from any potential shrapnel. Let me show you the bullets. Yeah. Lethal. Right. Let's go. I don't care what I look like, mate. I ain't getting fucking shrapnel in my eye, sod that. Mate, look at the size of this gun. Oh, mate.
Hey, you follow me? Where do you from, mate? Okay, brother.
Sorry?
Where do you...
Where am I from? I'm from England.
Oh.
What about yourself?
Me from Amsterdam.
Amsterdam. Okay. How long have you been in Thailand?
1 month.
One month. Wow. How long have you got?
1 week.
And one more week. Okay.
Yeah, 1 more week. Influencer.
Sorry.
Influencer.
Are you? Yeah. I wouldn't call myself an influencer.
Oh, but then?
But yeah, you're welcome. Yeah, it's fine.
Yeah, what's your name?
You got your phone? And there we go. Another subscriber who has saw me in the real world. I was literally moments ago just chatting to my mate about that. He's using a shotgun, mate. You should have seen the shells, mate.
Oh.
And it's illegal in some countries. Just blows my mind. I don't think they're rare, but this is a gun range, so the rules are. But yeah, what they do. This guy here, he's trying to stop anything bad happening, basically, if you know what I'm saying. Yeah, they put their hand on your shoulder, and if you decide to fucking do anything, hopefully they can fucking muscle in there beforehand. Fucking kick on it, man. He's obviously got a really good hold of that gun. If he didn't, the kickback's insane, mate. If I got time, I could always get myself a shotgun after. But I'm happy just using a handgun for now. There's a nice M4 there, which I was going to choose. But like I said, you squeeze that trigger, it's gone, mate. 10 bullets in a second is pointless. Ooh, yeah, I don't know what I'm doing. Fuck knows where the queue is.
Ik heb ook nog een ding.
Yeah, that was a handgun. He's got an M4 sat there as well. Right, let's have a look at this geezer on here. The size of this gun he's got. The noise, mate, just gets your fucking heart pounding. I'm just getting adrenaline just fucking stood here, man. Noise is insane. So he's loading up the magazine. And this is the one I'm using. And that's how far the target is. For the film? Yeah, exactly filming. Ready? Yep. Good. Fuck me, that's got a kick on it. Woo! Okay. Sweet. Oh fuck! Took that off. Right, and that's what it looks like after. Look at the state of it. Appreciate it. Thanks a lot. Is that a souvenir?
Yeah, really good.
Appreciate it. I'll take this, yeah? Thank you. Right. 999 87754 and a 2. Got a fucking 2. But yeah, if it weren't for these goggles, mate. Thank you very much, sir. If it weren't for these goggles, shrapnel in my eyes for sure, because I felt it fucking in my face. And that's the state of it. And that was my worst right there. But yeah, if that black part was a body, he would have taken 6 shots to the gut, mate. Naughty. Right, so mate, have a good, enjoy the rest of your time out here. Go-karting's over the road. I came here first randomly because it's closing in 15 minutes. So yeah, let's head over and go-karting. Fuck me, the moment I took those ear defenders off and I heard a fucking gun go off, fuck me, it's loud. Your heart just fucking pumps, man. Right, go-karting stuff over there, you can hear them. Or at least I can hear them. Never water tower there, they're quite common out here. And I have got my bracket for my camera, so I'm going to take that off now before I forget and go at the go-kart track. It's 5:45. I don't know what time they close, but go-kart me up, baby! Woo, got a little fucking adrenaline off that. Look at my energy now from earlier. That's what I needed. It was a nice little nap, mate. Just a nice little nap. Just switched the camera off. I'm going to say this now before... Fuck me. I'm going to say this now before I forget. This is a 10-minute drive from where I'm staying, so I could have come back and jump on the machine guns, but in my experience, they're a waste of money. Literally done, over that quickly. Or I could jump on a shotgun. Those shells look fucking so intimidating. They're about that fucking big and the size of the ball bearings, and I'm just like, how is this legal? Why would someone make such a thing? To hurt somebody? It's just wrong, mate. Fuck these. Fuck these. Don't understand. Good fun now, but other than yes, a handgun, but a shotgun, nah, don't agree with that at all. Right, and I've arrived. It was literally just over the road. I constantly keep driving past this. It's never looked super busy, and it isn't busy now, although they have some people do go around. But yeah, I ain't done go-karting in years, mate, honestly, so many years, so I figured, yeah, why not, give it a crack, be good fun. And this is where I am. Look at the backdrop, man, just fucking stunning in this country, absolutely stunning. Right, it is 5 to 6, let's go see if I can get in. If they don't, again, I've got the opportunity to come back, it's only 10 minutes from my hotel. So, yeah, I ain't too worried. Got another 3 days here. It's my energy that concerns me than anything. And I can't see anywhere I can strap my camera. And I ain't got my chest mount. Didn't think about that. Alright, let's find reception. Little pit stop. Right, here's the carts. Yeah, let's just put the camera at the back. I don't really know where I can put it. Yeah. That's the head scratcher. Think about that. Right, it's only 15 minutes. I don't know how many laps you get for that. But to be fair, ragging the fucking back off this for 15 minutes suits me nicely. You got it? Yeah, I got no problem with that, mate. That's the same. Woo, it's fucking hot. Right, yeah, the girls are just pulling up now. Want to find somewhere to strap my camera and hopefully get some cool footage. Right, here we go then. Yeah, let's go. Coming out the pit stop. I got right in the first bend. Woo! Fuck me, this is fast. one. Fucking hot! Sweating back there. Woohoo! Yeah, boy! Come on, Captain! Up the front! And that is the state of me after that. Fucking hell, 15 minutes was more than enough. 10 minutes was enough, to be fair. I'm dehydrated and just necked my last bottle of water off. Oh, that breeze is nice. Oh, it's coming from the fan. Oh, so yeah, I'm gonna hang out here, get a drink, and I'm in no hurry to do anything else. It's now 20 past 6. See you later, girls. Right, yeah, let's get a drink, man. Whew. Apparently this is the longest go-kart track in Patong. How true that is, I don't know. But yeah, 15 minutes was more than enough. Tell you what, I still can't wrap my head around their currency. That just cost me 30 baht, which sounds expensive, doesn't it? Oh, yeah, these are the views. I've drove past this track so many times. Sun's currently setting. Those are the two people that was on the track with me at one point, and then I had the majority of it to myself. I've got to go cash point. I've got no money left, and that helicopter tomorrow is in the middle of nowhere. If I forget cash point, I'm screwed. I'm fucking knackered, mate. I've just seen a sign here, open 10 AM till 7 PM, so I'm glad that I went to the shooting range beforehand, because otherwise, if I'd have done it the other way round, I wouldn't have made it to the shooting range. So this vlog's turned out alright. Shooting and go-karting in one day when I didn't know what I was going to do. I still got a CGS, still need to book trips. I've booked the helicopter today, so that's cool. Right, cash point and CGS. I'm going to end the video here as soon as we've got a gorgeous backdrop. Thanks for watching. Tune in tomorrow where I'll be on the helicopter watching that bad boy come back up rather than go back down. Cut to the outro.